Ever wondered how you can teach yourself anything? How some folks seem to master skills on their own? It's all about the power of self-study. This is the key that opens doors to learning anything you desire at your own pace, in your own time. It's the fuel that drives the engine of personal growth. But remember, it requires two essential ingredients: self-motivation and discipline. Without these, the engine stalls. So, keen to know how you can harness the power of self-study to learn anything you want? Stay tuned. First things first, you need to identify what you want to learn. What's your learning goal? Now, let's not underestimate the power of having a clear, realistic goal. It's like having a compass in the vast sea of knowledge. Without it, you might find yourself adrift in a sea of information, not knowing which way to go. So, how do we set these learning goals? Well, it's crucial to be specific. Don't just say, I want to learn Spanish. Instead, aim for something like, I want to be able to order a meal in Spanish. See the difference? The latter is specific, measurable, and attainable. Remember, your learning goal is your guiding light. It gives you a sense of direction and helps you stay focused. It tells you what to learn and, more importantly, what not to waste your time on. So, take a moment, think about what you want to achieve, and set that goal. Remember, a clear goal lays the foundation for effective self-study. Now that you have a goal, let's create your study plan. A study plan is not just a schedule, it's a roadmap to your learning journey. It's about breaking down your learning goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Think of it like a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is a task, and your goal is the complete picture. Start by listing the topics you need to cover. Break them down further into subtopics. This is your task list. Now, assign a timeline to each task. The timeline should be realistic and should take into account your learning pace. Remember, it's not a race. Consistency and regular practice are the keys to effective self-study. Make sure your study plan includes daily or weekly study sessions. Consistently dedicating time to your learning will help cement the information in your mind. Your study plan is your personal commitment to your learning goal. Stick to it, adjust as needed, but never lose sight of your end goal. With a structured study plan, you're one step closer to self-learning mastery. Having a plan is great, but you also need the right resources to learn from. The world today is bursting at the seams with educational resources. From traditional textbooks to online courses, blogs, podcasts, and more, there's a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. But with this abundance comes a challenge. How do you choose the right resources? Well, the key is to focus on quality over quantity. Look for resources that are reliable, well-researched, and come from reputable sources. Online platforms like Coursera, edX, or Khan Academy offer a wide range of high-quality courses on various subjects. Don't forget to diversify. A mix of books, videos, and interactive resources can cater to different learning styles and keep things interesting. And remember, the best resources are the ones that resonate with you. So feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Choosing the right resources can make your self-study journey smoother and more effective. Finally, it's time to review and reflect on your learning. This step, often overlooked, is a cornerstone of effective self-study. You've absorbed a wealth of information, but now it's crucial to take a step back. Look at what you've learned and evaluate your progress. Regular review sessions are vital. They reinforce the knowledge you've gained, helping to move information from your short-term to your long-term memory. It's like building a house brick by brick. Each review session lays another brick in the foundation of your learning. Reflection, on the other hand, is about looking inward. It's about asking yourself, how well am I understanding this material? Where am I struggling? Where am I excelling? This introspection allows you to identify areas for improvement and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Self-assessment tools can be incredibly helpful in this process. They provide a structured way for you to gauge your understanding of the material. Also, don't shy away from seeking feedback. Even in self-study, there are many avenues to get input on your work, be it online communities, mentors, or peers. Lastly, don't forget to adapt and update your study plan based on your review and reflection. Remember, your study plan isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that should evolve with your learning journey. Remember, self-study is a journey of continuous improvement. Keep reviewing, reflecting, and adapting, and you'll be mastering new skills in no time. Thank you for tuning in to this video and showing your support for self-education and lifelong learning. If you found this content valuable, please take a moment to show your appreciation by giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. We love creating content that is both informative and engaging, and we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create videos that you'll love. If you're interested in learning more about this topic or related subjects, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You'll find a wealth of information that will help you on your journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.